This is just a quick run through of the paper 2023 to 2024 Financial Mathematics Risk. Probability theory is throughout the paper. Stochastic interest rates is found in question 1 and question 3. Run-off triangles is mostly question 2. Rune theory question 4. Financial derivatives question 5. Now, question 1 itself is an overarching, reaches through all topics, and we'll just jump straight into A. Now, A is false because we're missing the measurability property, which is x is such that b equals, ignore my awful omegas, move this out of the way. So this is all it's really missing, just the measurability property, and therefore it's false. Okay, part B, this is also false because we're only given that it is defined on omega, satisfying this assumption. However, we're also missing the fact that P such that F maps onto 0, 1 inclusive. So this is false. Part C, now this was a tricky one. I initially thought that this was true. However, reading the question carefully and speaking to the professors, it does not specify that it is an independent variable. And for this equation to work, R needs to be independent. It's only given a random variable, and therefore each year needs to be independent for the expected accumulated value to be equal to this. So therefore this is also false. Question D. Now, we're considering a run-off triangle with cumulative claim payments such that I plus j is less than or equal to n, where Cij denotes cumulative claim payment corresponding to accident year I and development year j. In the Bornhuetter-Ferguson method to calculate reserve requirements, the ultimate loss ratio, so ultimate loss ratio is calculated as Cn0 over the earned premium AY. Now, this denominator is correct. However, if we create a quick run-off triangle, this is 0, 0, and then downwards we go 0 and 0, and across we go 0 n. Now, when we're calculating our ultimate loss ratio, it's the kind of current year as its final payment. So this is going to be accident year 1 at its kind of final development year n, and therefore this numerator is incorrect because we're taking this value when we should be having this value. And the correct answer is C, 0n over earned premium. Okay, I mean accident year 0 because we mentioned that. So therefore this is false. E. Now, this is relating to Rune theory, Poisson process. Now, we have this, but we also know that NT is distributed by lambda t. So essentially, n0 is t equals 0, and 3 is t equals 3, and so on. Now, we also know that each n is independent of the other, so therefore we can rewrite this expectation as just n5 minus n3 because this part is irrelevant. It's not there's no conditions that really need to sort that out now. n5, we're assuming t equals 5, so that's going to be 5 lambda minus... Oh, I also forget to mention that the expected value of nt is equal to lambda t. So this is essentially saying 5 lambda minus 3 lambda, which is equal to 2 lambda. And therefore this is true, which is nice.